Now let me introduce you to the style. Spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Dopest pages you can land on, man. Everything fashion right here.
Hey guys, those pins are too long, so we're gonna do another DIY. Here's what you need: clothespins, a pin cushion, some adhesive tape that you can iron on for a quick hem, a pair of scissors, your pants, your jumpsuit, or whatever you want to do this project on, and of course an iron. So what you want to do is you want to measure. I did it off camera. As you can see, I'm trying to move a little fast, and you want to measure it to your length, and then you pin it, cut it, apply the adhesive, iron it on. I think I did like an inch. So what you do is you place the adhesive down, you fold it over, and then you iron it on. I did that off camera. Make sure your sides are done. Place that joint in there. Girl, come on now. And as you can see, you have a ghetto hem. Repeat the steps on the other pant leg. Now that you have hemmed your pants, you want to pin your pants where you would like your strap to be placed on the side, because we're trying to create an imaginary like strap loop. So you're going to cut it, you're going to measure it, you're going to cut it on the side, and yeah, you'll see at the end, because right now I'm just rambling. Cut the fabric at the width that you would like it to be. I use 2 of the panels for the white and burgundy so I can keep up, because yeah. Repeat those steps. Throw that ghetto adhesive in there and fold it over, and then iron that bad boy on. Girl. Okay, thank you. You gotta move a little faster, cause baby, this video is too long. Clean it up. You want to make sure that is, I know it's like a ghetto project, but DIY projects don't have to look like it was a DIY project. So clean it up, make sure it looks nice, you know. DIY projects does not have to look cheap, honey. Repeat those steps. Sew that belt loop on in your desired position on the side of your pants. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. You go from the inside, and then bring the thread, the needle on the outside, and repeat the steps. Go in and out. Because this girl's so extra, she just want to make sure you get the gist of how to hand sew, okay? In and out. See? Voila. Add a little fold there. Oh, there go that loop. And repeat those steps that I said, in and out. Oh, first we got to tighten up so that you can secure that, secure those thread, because you don't want to have to redo it. Now that you have created your loop, you're going to repeat that step on the opposite leg. And now we have to create the strap for the loop. This is like a really cute trend that I am loving. And because I'm only 5'2", your girl's gonna be doing this to all of her pants because, yeah, it's cute and is petite friendly. You know what to do by now. Throw that adhesive in there, fold it over, iron that joint on. You gotta add some steam to it because you gotta get it a little wet. So, okay. And now it's a clean finish. Now, because I'm extra, I wanted to throw a button on there because I want you guys to get the whole gist of this look, honey. You know, we're not half stepping, so that button on there. Just go in and out on the button, make sure it's clean and everything. Then sew the sides so it don't be looking all frumpy when you're walking and stuff. You want everything to stay in position. Well, until next time, I'm the Style Spy, and yeah, make sure you repeat those steps on the opposite leg.
Hey, do y'all notice y'all just landed on one of the dopest pages you can land on, man? Everything fashion right here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage. What we got? Can I have your attention? Do me a favor and what we got? One more time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage. What we got? Can I have your attention? We promise not to waste your time. Now let me introduce you to the Style Spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. For fast